Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to help you find the answer to why zucchini rot and what things and fertilizers will help stop zucchini rot. Zucchini, this is an annual vegetable that loves heat and moisture. They also very quickly form fruit. So if you have grown a few zucchini bushes, the harvest is sure to be very huge. I grow zucchini every year. First, I grow zucchini seedlings in the house or in the greenhouse, and then I plant the young zucchini plants in the soil. Probably my first vegetables this season are zucchini. What are the benefits of zucchini? It is an important dietary product that will help to overcome obesity and bad cholesterol. This vegetable can be included in the daily menu to prevent hypertension, kidney, and liver disease. Therefore, I really recommend growing it in the greenhouse and in the vegetable garden. Of course, the most delicious and useful are young zucchini, 7 to 12 days old, in which the seeds are not yet fully formed, and the shell is so soft that it is easy to scratch it with a fingernail. If you want to have only young, sweet zucchini, you need to harvest regularly, about twice a week. Do not leave old fruit on the bush. Do not damage the stems and leaves of this plant, and you will have a crop of zucchini almost all summer long. But sometimes there is a bad situation in the vegetable garden. Zucchini rot. A small zucchini fruit has just appeared and is already beginning to rot. Why does this happen, and how to prevent rotting of zucchini fruit? The main reason for the rotting process of zucchini is the high content of sugars in the fruit, about 5%. For example, cucumbers contain sugars of about 2%. This is why zucchini rots, because microscopic fungi that are in the soil feed on these sugars. If you notice that a zucchini has a point where it starts to rot, usually the spot where the flower used to be, then obviously it is common blossom end rot. Blossom end rot is a fungal disease that occurs in tomatoes, sweet peppers, and even eggplants. Usually, the fruits of vegetables are affected by blossom end rot at the very beginning of ripening, when the plant quickly builds up leaves, using nitrogen and phosphorus. Calcium deficiency at the very beginning of fruiting, due to the rapid growth of the plant, causes blossom end rot. This happens because the chemical element calcium is very slowly assimilated by plants, so it does not manage to get into the fruit in time. As nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, there are formed microscopic holes in the structure of the shells of plant cells, so parasitic fungi get into the interior of the plant cell and rotting begins. What to do if blossom end rot has appeared? I suggest 3 methods to overcome zucchini blossom end rot. 1. Feeding zucchini plants with organic calcium. This is a very simple one. I use a few chicken egg shells, crush this, and add it to the soil near the root of the zucchini plant. Of course, this should be done in advance, at the time of planting zucchini seedlings or zucchini seeds. Calcium is a lazy chemical element. It moves slowly and takes longer to be delivered to the cells of the plant. 2. Another very simple method of how to help zucchini get rid of the blossom end rot. This is spraying the leaves of the plant with regular milk or an aqueous solution of milk powder. I take 2 teaspoons of milk powder, dissolve it in 3.7 American gallons or 10 liters of warm water, and spray the leaves of zucchini plants with this solution in cloudy, cool weather. The calcium found in milk powder, the calcium content is about 0.035 ounces in 3.5 ounces of milk powder, or 1 gram in 100 gram of this milk, is quickly absorbed by the plant. Feeding calcium through the leaves of the plant makes calcium delivery fast to exactly where it is lacking. Here's the bottom line. The aqueous calcium solution I made contains the same amount of organic calcium as in 3.7 American gallons of regular milk. If you don't have powdered milk and you do have regular milk, add another 1/5 of water to it, and you too can treat zucchini leaves for blossom end rotted. 3. Treatment on the leaf with a water solution of calcium nitrate. Here is the recipe for this treatment and, at the same time, for fertilizing. 1 tablespoon of calcium nitrate dissolve in 3.7 American gallons, or 10 liters, of warm water. It is better to spray zucchini plants with this solution of calcium nitrate by the leaf in cloudy weather so that the calcium is well absorbed. Leaf treatments and fertilizers more quickly bring the plant to normal than root treatments. It is almost an emergency if you notice traces of rot on zucchini plants. But so that the situation is not critical, I recommend making such fertilizers for the prevention of blossom end rot as soon as flowering begins, and while there are still no small fruits. After about 2 to 3 weeks, such feeding should be repeated. Well, I hope that now your zucchini plants will always be healthy. By the way, the zucchini harvest can be stored in the refrigerator in a plastic bag for up to 7 days, and they will be fresh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!